Hello, and welcome back to the Beardo channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a multi-product purchase form on your website, where customers can order multiple products at once, directly from a single page. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the Beardo channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials. Alright, let's begin. From your Beardo website dashboard, go to Layout. You can add this form to your main page, or, in this example, we'll demonstrate it on a custom page. You can edit an existing page or create a new one. On this custom page, click Add section, then search for Select by Multi-Product Form. Here's what it looks like by default. A form that displays multiple products. Your customers can simply scroll through the form, select the products they want, and set the quantity for each item. Before moving on, let's click Done first. Then drag the section up. Let's say right below the testimonials section. Once that's done, click the settings icon. Okay, so by default, a lot of products are displayed here, which can look messy and chaotic, especially if the products don't match your landing page theme. To fix that, you can choose which products you actually want to show on your landing page. Just click Choose manually, then select the products you'd like to display. Or, if you prefer to show products from a specific category, you can also do that. Just select from Category or Catalog. If you're not sure how, you can check the instructions in the description below. Now, let's customize the design of this form. You can adjust the color of the product name, price, and variation labels. By default, each product is clickable. It links directly to its product detail page. If you want to disable that, simply change the product link option to None. When set to None, the product name will no longer be clickable. Let's revert it back to the Link to Product page so customers can open the details if they want. Now let's move to the Buy Now button settings. By default, the button's text and color look like this. You can change them by going to the Buttons section, then clicking the Settings icon. Here, you can customize the color, text, and even adjust the font type, size, shadow, and more. You can also add an icon if you want. Once you're done, click Done. Save your changes. Let's preview it on the live website. Here's how it looks. Customers can scroll through, select the items they want, click Buy Now, and they'll be taken directly to the checkout page with those selected products. Now let's go back to the Layout editor for another example. Here I have another additional page I made earlier. Let's say this page has two separate multi-product forms, one for coffee and another for add-ons. Notice that each form comes with its own Buy Now button. If a customer clicks the button on the first form only the selected bag products will be processed at checkout. Items from the second form won't be included. The same applies the other way around. If they click the Buy Now button on the second form, only the products from that form will be sent to checkout. To fix this, we'll create a separate global checkout button outside both forms. Click Add section, then search for the Button section. There are two buttons here by default. The Button section is located at the very bottom of the page, so first, click Done. Then drag the Button section below the Buy Multi-Product Form section. Click the Settings icon. Let's delete one default button. Edit the remaining button. You can customize its color, design, add an icon, and also edit the text as usual. For the link target, select Perform Action, and choose the action Multi-Checkout. Click Done, Done. Now, to avoid confusion, let's remove the individual Buy Now buttons inside each form. Click the Edit section, delete the buttons, and save. Do the same for the second form. Let's check the result. Click Save and preview this page. Now, assume a customer selects products from both forms. To process them together, they simply click this single multi-checkout button. This button, all the selected products from both forms will be combined and sent to checkout in one go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more tutorials. See you in the next one.